So here we are supposed to see operation of a MOSFET. If we are giving input voltage in between drain and source, but we are not giving any input voltage between gate and source. It means what? If we are giving zero input voltage to the gate terminal, then two back-to-back diode will exist in series between drain and source. One diode will be as a N plus drain region and the P-type substrate. And other diode, how you will get? Diode will be formed by P-type substrate and the N plus source region. So here these two back-to-back diode will prevent the current conduction from drain to source when we are only applying voltage in between drain and source terminal. So here you will get no amount of in output current. If we are not giving any input voltage to the VGS, you will get value of drain current will be equal to 0 ampere. And here the resistance value will be higher. So we can say the path between drain and source is having very high resistance. That will be of order 10 raised to 12 ohm. But if we are giving the input voltage, now you can see here the diagram, channel for current flow, or we can say operation of MOSFET when VGS is a positive. VDS तो हम ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ही दे रहे हैं, ओनली VGS का वैल्यू हमने पहले नहीं दिया. नाउ वी आर टू गिव VGS दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव. सो हियर इफ यू सी इन द डायग्राम यू कैन से, तुम देख सकते हो यहाँ पे डायग्राम में गेट को हमने क्या किया है, वी आर गिविंग द VGS, वहां पे सप्लाई दिया है. सो सोर्स एंड ड्रेन आर ग्राउंडेड बट वी आर गिविंग वोल्टेज टू द गेट टू सोर्स टर्मिनल. So what will happen? VGS will repels the free holes from the region of substrate. क्योंकि N टाइप जो P टाइप सबस्ट्रेट है उसमें क्या है, मेजोरिटी कैरियर होल्स. होल्स का चार्ज क्या है, पॉजिटिव. और गेट को हमने टर्मिनल कौन सा कनेक्ट किया है, पॉजिटिव. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, रिपल्शन विल. So if we are giving positive VGS, that time that voltage will repel the free holes from the region substrate under the gate. So here these holes are pushed downward into a substrate, and this will leave behind carrier depletion region. You can see here the depletion region, the diagram. So positive VGS attracts the electron from N-type source as well as from the drain region. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसको अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है और जो पी टाइप सबस्ट्रेट है उसको क्या कर रहा है, वो रिपेल कर रहा है. इट इज लिविंग दैट बिहाइंड द कैरियर डिप्लीशन. So here if you will get the sufficient number of electron that is accumulate near the surface of substrate, at that time region in effect created connecting the source and drain region. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन को वो अट्रैक्ट करके ले रहा है. ड्यू टू विच if we are again giving voltage to the drain and source, at that time current will flow. It means what? If we are giving some amount of voltage to the VGS as well as we are giving voltage to the VDS, the positive potential at gate terminal will repel the hole in the P-type substrate and it will attract the electrons from N-type drain and the N-type source. So if we are applying the voltage to the drain to source and to the gate to source terminal, current will flow through this induced N region. So the induced N region forms a channel for current flow. So it will make a channel. ये क्या करता है, चैनल को बनाता है. ड्यू टू विच what we are saying here, as it is creating the channel, so you will get the current will flow. That current we can say as a drain current, and it is flowing from drain to source terminal. And this MOSFET we can say as a N channel or the NMOS transistor. If we are saying there is a question on working or anything on the NMOS transistor, you are supposed to understand that is the N channel transistor. NMOS मतलब क्या है? N channel transistor. What is happening when we are giving positive voltage to the VGS and the VDS? At that time, positive potential to the gate terminal will repel the hole in the p-type substrate, and it will attract the electron from the n-type drain and the source. So here, when it is attracting to the electrons, and it will get sufficient amount of electron, recombination of electron and holes will happen, due to which what will happen? Current will start to flow. That current will flow from drain to source terminal, and that current we can denote by letter I suffix D. मतलब उसके उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Drain current. And this current will flow from drain terminal to the source terminal, and this MOSFET we can say as a N channel MOSFET because it is creating a channel. Channel कैसे create कर रहा है? Because the induced N region will form. ये जो दोनों के बीच का N region जो रहेगा, that region will form a induced N channel. You can see here the diagram. I have given the name there, induced N-type channel. That is in between two N-type source and the N-type drain. So here the channel is created by inverting the substrate surface from P-type to the N-type. Hence, induced N channel is called as the inversion layer. And if we are giving again VGS, the excess of VGS over VT is termed as the effective voltage or the overdrive voltage, and its quantity is nothing but it is which will determine the change in channel. So we can take that as VGS minus VT, that will be equal to VOV. It means what? Overdrive voltage. OV मतलब overdrive voltage. VT, that is nothing but the effective voltage. You can see here the excess of VGS over a VT, that we can say as a effective voltage. मतलब ये जो VOV है तुम उसको इफेक्टिव बोल सकते हो या फिर ओवरड्राइव. VGS गेट और सोर्स के बीच में जो दे रहे, VT that is the threshold voltage. So this is the working principle for N channel enhancement MOSFET with positive VGS. जब negative VGS drain current equal to 0, positive VGS positive VDS, you will get drain current value. After that, if gate and channel region of MOSFET form a parallel plate capacitor, क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास क्या हुआ है? चैनल इंड्यूस हो गया है कहाँ? एन टाइप ड्रेन और सोर्स के बीच. सो दैट channel region and the gate region of the MOSFET will form the parallel plate capacitor with the SiO2 oxide layer, which will act as a capacitor dielectric, and positive gate voltage that will causes positive charge to accumulate on the top plate of the capacitor, and negative charge on the bottom plate is formed by the electrons in the induced channel. This electric field control the amount of charge in the channel. Hence, we can say that will determine the channel conductivity when VDS is applied. So, this is the field effect transistor, and it is a voltage control because by controlling the input voltage or by controlling the voltage, we can control the value of output current, drain current. So this is the working principle. Now we are supposed to see if we are giving small value of VDS and if we increase the value of VDS, what will happen? We will see here. If we will increase, this is the third operation, MOSFET operation. First, with no or zero VGS. Second, operation with positive VGS, positive VDS. In third condition, what we are supposed to do? we are supposed to increase the value of drain to source. So we can say applying small VDS, मतलब उसका VDS का value बढ़ा के, what will happen? If we are giving positive gate to source voltage, what we have seen, हम VGS और VDS दोनों दे रहे हैं पॉजिटिव, तो हमको ड्रेन करंट का वैल्यू मिल रहा है. बट इफ वी विल इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ VDS, if we are keeping value of VGS constant, only we are increasing the value of VDS. Due to this, gate terminal become less and less positive with respect to drain. So, less number of electron will get attracted towards the gate and induced channel becomes narrow. And if channel width will reduce, that we can say as a pinch off region. Channel width यदि कम हो रहा है वहां पे, so we can say that as a pinch off region. They will ask the question on the pinch off region. When value of VDS बढ़ रहा है, VGS we are keeping the constant, value of VDS we are increasing. At that time, what is happening? The gate terminal become less and less positive with respect to the drain. So less number of electron attracted towards the gate terminal and the induced channel becomes narrow. So the channel width will be reduced to a point of pinch off, that is it remains constant, and the saturation region which is same, that is of a depletion MOSFET. It means what? If we are increasing the value of VDS and putting value of VGS fixed, that will not affect on value of ID unless you will get a breakdown. So we can say when we are keeping VGS constant and value of VDS increasing, that will give you value of ID current which will flow through the value of ID current which is flowing through the induced N channel will not affect. Whenever you will get the breakdown, after that it can be affected. और breakdown कब मिलेगा तुम्हें? हमने देखा है breakdown कब मिलेगा? When value of given voltage will reaches over the breakdown voltage. So if value of VGS will increases over than threshold voltage, and if we are increasing the value of VDS, that time we can say you will get the breakdown. So the value of ID current now get affected. But if you will not get any breakdown, but if we are increasing the value of VDS, at that time that will not affect the value of drain current. But if you are taking the value of VGS greater than threshold voltage, at that time the value of VDS will get a breakdown region, due to which the device acts as a resistance whose value is determined by the value of gate to source voltage, and you will get the value of drain current will be proportional to the VGS minus VT into VDS when after breakdown. After breakdown, ID value will be proportional with VGS minus VT into VDS. VDS drain to source का voltage. VGS gate to source. VT threshold voltage. So this is the working principle of the MOSFET. Now we want to see its diagram. So what we can say here, if you will see the diagram, this is the output current ID and this is the voltage VDS. So we can say that as a drain characteristics of a N-channel enhancement MOSFET. So we can say the ID VDS characteristics of a MOSFET, also called as a drain characteristics of a N-channel enhancement MOSFET. And here the device operates as a linear resistance whose value is controlled by the VGS. If the value of VGS is less than threshold, you will get there will be very small amount of current. But if we are increasing the value of VGS, तुम देख सकते हो फर्स्ट जो लाइन है VGS का वैल्यू थ्रेशोल्ड से कम है, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी अमाउंट ऑफ करंट. ये ब्लैक लाइन पे ही ब्लू लाइन ड्रॉ किया है. बट इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ VGS इज गोइंग ग्रेटर, if it is becoming equal to threshold voltage and it is becoming higher to the threshold, at that time the value of current will go to the increase. So this is the drain characteristics of the MOSFET. Now you can see here the diagram for the ID and the VDS. Same we are drawing again. This is the drain characteristics, but here only we are drawing for value of VGS that is equal to VT plus over drive voltage OV. VT plus VOV. So here you can say the drain characteristics is divided into a region like a triode region, saturation region and the cutoff region. If the value of VDS is less than equal to VOE, that is the triode. If the value of VDS is greater than equal to VOV, that is a saturation. And if the value of VGS is greater than threshold, जो black line पे रहेगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Cut off region. So this is the drain characteristics of the MOSFET. N channel enhancement MOSFET. If anyone is having any issue regarding the operation of MOSFET, you can ask me now. Otherwise, we can move to the next slide. समझ में ये ड्रेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फिर से. Okay. So what we are saying here, drain characteristics is nothing but drain current with respect to drain to source voltage. ड्रेन टू सोर्स वोल्टेज क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि वोल्टेज हम कैसे मेजर करते हैं? अक्रॉस. और करंट कैसे मेजर करते हैं? इन सीरीज. बाकी सभी को नहीं आ रहा है आवाज? एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू गाइस? ओके, मे बी आपके वहां पे भी इशू हो सकता है बेटा. ओके, हाँ, सी हियर बिकॉज हियर इज अ नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी. यहाँ पे तो अभी कोई इश्यू नहीं है. ओके, हाँ, सो व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग हियर, व्हेन we will talk about the drain characteristics. It is the graph of drain current with respect to the drain voltage. You can see this diagram or you can draw this diagram. उन्होंने ये diagram कैसे draw किया है? They are taking different value of VGS. But if we are taking directly VGS that is greater than threshold voltage, means VGS equal to VT plus overdrive voltage. तुम यदि ले रहे हो तो तुम डायरेक्टली ये भी डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. बिकॉज ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और द ड्रेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ MOSFET, it is divided into a 3 regions. These are saturation. ट्रायोड को हम नॉन सैचुरेशन भी बोल सकते हैं. The triode region, you can say here as a non-saturation region. Please don't confuse in between BJT and the MOSFET. BJT में यदि देखोगे तो saturation region कौन सा था? जो यहाँ पे ट्रायोड है, जो नॉन सैचुरेशन है, वो यहाँ पे नॉन सैचुरेशन जो यहाँ पे है वो बीजेटी में सैचुरेशन था. और वहां पे जो एक्टिव था वो यहाँ पे सैचुरेशन है. So please don't confuse. Cut off दोनों में same है. When you will not get any amount of current, so that will be on the x axis. तभी तुमको करंट नहीं मिलेगा तो वो रहेगा कट ऑफ. इफ यू आर गिविंग द नेम or not giving, you will get the mark. But you are supposed to show for the saturation and non-saturation. Saturation, when the value of drain to source voltage will be greater than VOV, means overdrive voltage, or you can say the value of VDS will be greater than VGS minus VT. If you want to write, you can write these points because they will ask the question on these numericals. these mathematical equations. They will ask the value of drain to source voltage for saturation region will be VGS minus VT, VGS less than VGS. You are supposed to understand in the saturation region, the value of VDS will be greater than or equal to VGS minus VT. VGS minus VT. Or you can say VDS that will be equal to VOV. VOV मतलब क्या होता है? ओवरड्राइव. तो उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है? VGS minus VT. And for triode or the non-saturation, VDS value will be less than equal to less than that will be value of VDS will be less than VGS minus VT. मतलब ओवरड्राइव से उसका वैल्यू कम रहेगा, ड्रेन टू सोर्स का वोल्टेज कम रहेगा. कब? इन द नॉन सैचुरेशन और इन द ट्रायोड रीजन. So we can say drain characteristics, it is the graph of drain current with respect to drain to source voltage. And here you are supposed to give unit for the current in the ब्रैकेट. जहां पे तुमने ग्राफ में y एक्सिस पे आईडी ड्रॉ किया है, वहां पे ब्रैकेट में वैल्यू ऑफ ड्रेन करंट विल बी इन द मिली एम्पियर, MA, मिली एम्पियर. So we can say if the value of VDS will be less than equal to VGS minus VT, at that time MOSFET will be in the non-saturation region and you will get there value of current will increases exponentially with respect to drain to source voltage. If value of VDS will become equal to or greater than VGS minus VT, after that value of drain current will remain constant. That region we can say as a saturation region. So this is the working principle for the MOSFET and this is its drain characteristics. This is its drain characteristics. And if we will talk about its transfer characteristics, that will be the drain current with respect to input voltage. Input voltage क्या रहेगा तुम्हारा? VGS. Drain current ID. तो ग्राफ कैसे आएगा? Exactly same like your diode और exactly same when ट्रांजिस्टर का हमने ड्रॉ किया था, इनपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हमने ड्रॉ किया था, एग्जैक्टली सेम ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. With increase in input voltage, the value of drain current will increase. From where? From threshold point. And threshold point का voltage तुम कितना ले सकते हो? Near about 0.3 to 0.7. So on x-axis VGS, on y-axis drain current, and that will be like a exponential increment curve. Increment. जब VGS का value threshold से कम रहेगा, you will not get any amount of current on x-axis you will get, and from VGS will be equal to VT, value of current will go to increase and drain current का value रहेगा in milliampere. Now we want to see all these things for the P channel. If you see all the constructions, all the diagrams, all concepts are similar. Only what is the difference? जहां पे n का नाम आता था वहां पे p का नाम आएगा, जहां पे p का है वहां पे n का नाम आएगा. You can see here for the p channel enhancement MOSFET you will needed n type substrate and drain and source you will needed as a p type semiconductor. And if there is a channel, second diagram जो है जहां पे channel draw किया है, when they are showing it will be induced. How it will get induced? If you are not giving any input voltage in between gate to source terminal, you will get to back diode that will prevent the conduction of MOSFET and that will induce the channel. But this channel will be P channel that will be formed between two P-type semiconductors. After that, if you are applying VGS and if you are applying VDS, what will happen? You will get some amount of ID current will flow, and that will increases with increase in VGS. From which point, कब तक बढ़ेगा VGS के रिस्पेक्टिव आउटपुट ड्रेन करंट? Whenever VDS value will reaches greater than equal to VGS minus VT, from that point value of drain current will remain constant. मतलब प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, जब हम VGS का वैल्यू 0 वोल्ट दे रहे हैं, ID यू विल नॉट गेट, ID का वैल्यू 0 मिली एम्पियर। जैसे तुम VGS और VDS दोनों पॉजिटिव दे रहे हैं, करंट लिनियरली इंक्रीज होगा इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द इनपुट गिवन वोल्टेज VGS के साथ। जैसे जैसे VGS और VDS दे रहे हो, ड्रेन करंट बढ़ते जाएगा। कब तक बढ़ेगा? जब तक VDS का वैल्यू इक्वल टू और ग्रेटर देन VGS माइनस VT नहीं बनेगा। और जब VDS का वैल्यू VGS माइनस VT के बराबर या उससे ज्यादा बन रहा है, उसके बाद ड्रेन करंट कांस्टेंट रहेगा। So these are the working principle for the P channel enhancement MOSFET. You will get same diagram here. Only what is the difference? सिर्फ N channel की जगह यहाँ पे P channel induced होगा, because here we are using N type substrate and P type drain and the source terminals. Now you can see here the symbols. The simplified symbol for the MOSFET: drain terminal, source terminal which is having the arrow. If it is having outward arrow, that will be the N channel enhancement MOSFET. The last diagram, अभी किसी का क्वेश्चन रहेगा कि मैम एरो इनसाइड भी बताया है आपने। If I am taking the arrow from source, that will be the outside. But if we are considering N channel enhancement MOSFET as a 4 terminal, that will be substrate. तो substrate की जगह यहाँ पे उन्होंने B नाम दिया है, तुम यहाँ पे SS भी दे सकते हो, substrate. So if that will be the substrate, you are supposed to take as a 4th terminal. एक तो तुम सोर्स को आउटसाइड एरो बता सकते हो या फिर सबस्ट्रेट को इनसाइड। सो दिस इज द एन चैनल एनहांसमेंट टाइप मॉसफेट। नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स आईडी VDS कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, जो हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं। इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 रीजन: नॉन सैचुरेशन और अ ट्रायोड, saturation when value of VDS will be greater than equal to VGS minus VT, and when value of VGS equal to 0 volt on the x-axis, that is the cutoff region, because here value of VGS is less than threshold voltage, or you can write VGS equal to 0 volt or VGS is less than threshold voltage. उन्होंने VTN क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि N channel, so N channel threshold voltage, that's why they have written there N. So this is its ID VDS characteristics. अब यहाँ पे simplified diagram कैसे draw किया है? Instead of that construction diagram, you can use here symbol. Symbol कैसा है? Drain, gate, source. Source जो है outward arrow. Source के other जो रहा है terminal, that is the drain, and जो middle one है, that is the gate terminal. So gate source is negative, so you are taking VGS G to S, positive negative, DS, because we are changing the VDS, that's why they are taking its variable. उसमें arrow क्यों दिया है उन्होंने supply voltage में VDS के? Because it is the variable, we can change its value, that's why they have taken that as a variable drain to source voltage. So this is the ID versus VDS characteristics. Now you can see here its transfer characteristics, or we can say a drain characteristics. The same diagram, only यही diagram फिर से draw किया है, but only VGS के value अलग अलग लिए हैं. If VGS is VTN plus VOVN, if its value is increasing, you will get the value of drain current will increase. अब तुम y axis पे यदि देखोगे drain current के वहां, they have written the value of the drain current. You are supposed to remember this formula. because this is the important formula. You are supposed to solve some numericals on the value of drain current. They will give width value, they will give length value. VOV मतलब क्या है, VGS minus VT square. वो VOV का वैल्यू नहीं देंगे समटाइम, they will give directly or they will give VGS and the VT value. You are supposed to take VGS minus VT square. Kn, that is the constant. That is constant. They will provide its value in the question paper. So ID equal to 1 by 2 Kn W by L VGS minus VT square. And GDS, it is nothing but it is the transconductance. It is the reciprocal of the resistance. So reciprocal of resistance मतलब क्या, 1 by R. We are talking here about drain to source. So GDS equal to 1 upon RDS. So this is the MOSFET VI characteristics. Now we are supposed to see biasing. What we are giving here? We are giving biasing. That is, we are giving to the gate to source terminal, or we are giving in between gate to source terminal and drain to source terminal. Otherwise, we are keeping VGS constant, we are increasing value of VDS, and if value of VDS will reaches greater than or equal to VGS minus VT, you will get MOSFET will behave as a saturation region and you will get constant amount of drain current. So here we have finished about the MOSFET and its working principle. If you will get any question on the depletion, the construction, principle, working, all concept are same. Only what will be the difference? ये जो यहाँ पे induced P channel बताया है, you are supposed to show that compulsory for the depletion. And यदि enhancement है N channel या P channel, what will no need of the channel. ये जो फर्स्ट डायग्राम है वो तुम डिप्लीशन के लिए नहीं बता सकते हो बिकॉज दे आर नॉट शोइंग देयर चैनल. इनहांसमेंट के लिए फर्स्ट डायग्राम बता सकते हो. एंड इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ VDS, if we are increasing the value of VGS, at that time channel will get induced, but at start there is no channel in the enhancement, but in depletion region channel is present. So you are supposed to show this diagram. But if that is for the N channel, in a N channel enhancement की जगह डिप्लीशन मॉस्फेट रहेगा, तो क्या डिफरेंस रहेगा? जहां पे यहाँ P नाम है वहां पे N रहेगा, और यहाँ पे N टाइप सबस्ट्रेट है वहां पे P टाइप सबस्ट्रेट, और चैनल जो रहेगा वो कौन सा रहेगा? N चैनल. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें N चैनल बताना होगा. That will be only difference. So we have seen in today's session about N channel, P channel enhancement and the depletion MOSFET and their working principle. Remaining we will see in the next class. इसके बाद if anyone is having any issue you can ask. Okay. So we can conclude now.